Hello, this is the training video for the TrucoSkin.com website to show you how to make some changes to content and images in the site. So this is a WordPress website. It's a very powerful platform, and we have it customized with a custom theme that's fit for your business. So jumping right in order to get to the login page, to log in as an admin, you're going to go to /admin. So trucoskin.com/ADMIN. Once there, you'll be presented with the login screen. I'll be issuing some credentials for you shortly. You'll be able to reset your password there too if you forget your password for some reason. So once you're logged in, you're going to be in the back end of the website. You'll see up at the top right, it'll say your username and the logout screen there. In the top left, the name of the website. When you hover over that, if you click on Visit Site, it will take you to the front end of the website, which is obviously what your customers see. And again, if you hover over the top left, you can go back to your dashboard or the back end. So there's a couple ways to edit pages. You can either edit it from the back end or you can jump into it from the front end. So we have a visual editor in place, which makes things a little easier because some of the layouts are a little more complex. But if you want to see a list of all your pages, click on Pages and you'll get the list of pages. We also have additional pages listed under Services, so we separated your services into this other area here called Services, just to make it a little more organized. Also the pop-up, if you did for some reason want to change the text in the pop-up, you can do that right here under pop-ups. So when you hover over the particular page or pop-up or service, you'll see you get these little edit or quick edit. I rarely use the quick edit option. That's for just changing the title and changing some of the simple things. So when you click on edit, it will drop you into the actual edit screens for the pop-up. And there's all the content. So there's your headline and then your main body for the pop-up. So let's go back to the front of the site by clicking Visit Site at the top left. Now when you're logged in, you'll notice you do have this black bar at the top. On most all of the pages, you'll see Edit Page. The front page is a little bit different. We do have the front page mostly hard-coded. Reason being, it's really good for performance and it's really good for SEO. So you're actually going to rank higher because we have a lot of the edit capabilities taken off of the front page. We can add some edit capabilities on the front page if you would like. But I do recommend we leave it mostly hard-coded to assist with your SEO and to assist with your rankings. So let's look at kind of a basic page. So let's go to Meet Our Team. Now when I'm on Meet Our Team, you'll see up at the top I have this Edit Page option. This is typically the way that I edit pages. I just visit the website, go to the page I want to change, click on Edit Page at the top. So once I click on that, I'm going to be taken into the back end of the website or the dashboard, and we're presented with the Meet Our Team page. And you can see this rows and columns here. These actually represent the layout of the page. So it might look a little bit overwhelming, but I like to think of it as Legos. Everyone kind of knows what Legos were. You can stack them, put them next to each other. So by doing this here, it's actually forming the responsive and mobile version of the website. So that's why this layout builder is very nice. So you'll see there's different types of widgets. There's the image widget. There's the editor widget. And there's a headline widget. And those are mostly all the widgets we have. There are some ones that for video and different widgets for maps and things like that. But the majority of the website is images and editors and headlines. So if I click on the edit here for the editor, it's going to present me with this body of text. So all the different areas here, you can kind of see where they're at. So there are different bios, different images, different editors. So if I wanted to change out the image here on the top left of the page, I'd click on edit, and then in the top you can do choose media, and it'll actually allow you to upload a new file, or you can even pick a file from the media library that's already in there. Most of the time you'll just be uploading a new picture if you're changing something out. So once you're done making changes, always make sure you hit done, and then in the top right under the publish settings here, always click update. When you click update, this little thing will spin, and then you'll get page updated, and it'll allow you to view page. So, check your work, right? So the other way to edit a page, because these layouts are somewhat complex, they have the live editor option. And the live editor, when you click on that, it takes a little bit longer to load, but what it's going to do is actually show you the rows and columns over on the left, but as you hover over the area, you can just click on it and it'll pop up the editor. So this is definitely an easier way to make some quick changes on the fly if you're looking to edit text, things like that. So I would definitely recommend using the live editor on this website, just because the layouts of your pages are fairly complex. So whenever you're done with that, same goes, always click update. Give it a second, it'll load, and then it'll bring you back to the site. So let's look at a services page. Say I wanted to edit something on the eyebrows. Again, go to that page, up at the top, click live editor. Give it a moment to load, and then again, you can just scroll down the page and click on what piece you would like to actually edit it. The services menu here is a little bit different. So if you need to make changes to this, I'll show you how to do that. That's going to be in your menus section. When you go back to your dashboard, under appearance and menus, that's where your services menu is located. So you can do things like drag and drop to change the order. And then when you're done, always click Save Menu. If you wanted to add a service, once you put the service in, it would show up here under Pages. You would check that and then click Add to Menu. It would then add it at the bottom, and then you would slide it to where you would want it to be. Obviously, we don't want this one, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that. So that's how you edit your services menu. For the main menu of the website, that's one of the parts that is hard-coded. I can make that dynamic if you would like, but again, I do recommend we leave it hard-coded, as it speeds up the website pretty substantially. So your gift cards is actually on Square, so that's all managed in-house. So there's nothing to change that in here. The contact page, there's just a small map widget, a site origin editor, and then the form. So really not too much to edit there. Like I said, it's really just content, images, and headlines. So majority of your website, just use that live editor. Upload images where you need. Always remember to click update. And if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call.